Dear Cheri, I have been seeing some cooking shows where chefs are making amazing edibles, not just cookies and gummies, but like gourmet dishes. I've always wanted to be a chef, but what I think could be even better would be to become an edible chef. How does one learn to become an edible chef is my question. Thanks for any insight you may have. Okay, well, that is a great question. Before I get to the answer, though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Also, if you get value out of my videos, please hit that like button as it helps us be seen in the YouTube algorithm. So I really appreciate it if you take a second and hit that like button too. Thanks so much. Okay, back to the question, how does one become an edibles chef? Well, you have to be a chef first. I mean, if we're talking about like gourmet food, you are going to want basic chef training first, whether you are self-taught or you go to culinary school. But that is the first step because really when it comes down to it, cannabis cooking is just cooking. But you have to learn a few simple principles first. For that, you could take, and this is a shameless plug, but I do think it is the quickest way to get proficient at cooking with cannabis. You could take my comprehensive online cannabis cooking course. It's a course that covers all aspects of cannabis cooking, the things that you need to learn, the basics of cannabis cooking. In other words, the building blocks. And once you know these principles of how to cook with cannabis, things with like how to cook with concentrates, how to make infusions, how to properly decarb your cannabis and activate it, how to get the exact dose you want every time, time after time after time. All of those things are the basic building blocks of cannabis cuisine. But once you have those under your belt, the rest is just cooking and you can medicate almost any food you choose. Be it just a simple snack like fast food or a gourmet meal and everything in between. So really, how do you become a cannabis chef? Well, you need to learn how to become a chef without cannabis as far as those cooking techniques. And then you need to learn the building blocks of cannabis cuisine. Now, my course will help you do it quickly and easily. You could also look on the internet. There's lots of free articles and tutorials. But the problem is a whole lot of these are absolute garbage and are going to waste a lot of your time, and you're going to waste a lot of cannabis while using that bad advice. It's really shocking how much bad cannabis cooking advice is out there. So I do recommend my course. I'm going to put a coupon code in the comments below for anybody that's interested in that. But the short answer, how do you become a cannabis chef? Well, you need to be a chef without cannabis and then learn the principles of cannabis cooking and marry the two, which is very easy to do once you have that knowledge. Hope this helps. See you all next time. Eat your weed.